showing you how to prepare a beefy style seitan with broccoli. Now guys, this goes well with the gungo peas and rice in previous video. Thank you again for joining me. Okay guys, so if you want to know how to make the seitan meat from scratch, I'll provide a video in the description, so it will bring you right over there and you can see how to make your own from scratch. Alright, I have in this the seitan meat that I have in some marinade. I'll also leave instruction for you guys to make it, right? Alright, so I'm going to show you how to cut and prepare this thing. You can cut it in any design you like. So we're just going to cut some strips to mimic the beef slices, right? Alright, so you can add some salt and pepper. This is just the seasoning, right guys? Because we're going to put it in the marinade. So we're just going to add some salt. Not much, because the marinade will have all of that it will be soaking in, right? We're going to blanch the vegetables, right? And blanching is introducing heat to the vegetable, and then you stop the cooking process by adding some cold water. Now this is just for design, guys. Slice them up as thin as you can. So we're going to prepare also the garlic and the ginger, right? The broccoli to hot water, right? And the carrots as well. Not for too long, because you just want them to kind of pre-cook. And you can see when they're ready, the vegetables turn a bright green or yellow color. So they're pretty ready now. They're pretty much ready. So we're going to remove them. And you stop the cooking process by adding some cold water, right? Or in this case, you can run them on the pile. It seems as though some water gets in this pot. I don't know how, but let that be. We're going to make the sauce now, right? Guys, so we're going to use some soy sauce. You can use a tablespoon of sugar and some salt, just a little bit. Some sriracha sauce. And you can just rest this aside, right? We're also going to be adding some cornstarch, right? Just to coat them a bit. You can just rub them in. Alright, let's get started now. We're going to saute the garlic. And the ginger. We're going to fry up also okay, our meat has finished cooking, guys. Looking so good. So we're just going to make the sauce now, right? And And it's okay, you can make the sauce in the same pot. So we're just going to add it now. And this, guys, you can enjoy it, like I say, you can enjoy it as a Christmas dinner. Now this, our sauce is coming together really lovely. Guys, you can see how nice and shelly the rice is. And our sauce is cooking down really lovely. Our sauce is good now, guys. So at this time we're going to add back the meat. And you can add also your vegetables. So nice. Guys, our dinner is finished and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was such a pleasure sharing this recipe with you guys. And you can see this, as I said earlier, this can be a typical Christmas dinner for a vegan. My beef and my gunga rice and peas with vegetables. From my kitchen to yours, happy holidays.